Today we are going to make spring roll without मैदा, without frying, believe me. सबसे पहले बैटर बनाएंगे तो उसके लिए हमें 2 कप सूजी चाहिए, 1 कप दही, नमक और पानी। ये 2 कप सूजी मैंने डाली, 1 कप दही और 2 कप पानी, साथ में ही 1 चम्मच नमक। इसे डाल के कवर करके मैं हाफ एन आवर के लिए इसे रेस्ट करने रख दूंगी। उसके बाद इसका हम पेस्ट बनाएंगे। Mix it well. Let it rest for 1 hour. फिलिंग बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए कैप्सिकम, अनियन, कैबेज, थोड़े से नूडल्स, डार्क सोया सॉस, विनेगर एंड चिली सॉस एंड गार्लिक ऑल्सो। पैन गरम करेंगे, add garlic, add onion, keep the flame high, keep tossing it, add capsicum, add cabbage, now add salt according to your taste, dark soya sauce 1 tablespoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon, red chili sauce 1 tablespoon, toss it well. These are noodles, absolutely optional. You can add paneer also instead of noodles. Mix well. Filling is ready. Let's prepare the paste now. It's almost done. Suji is soaked. We'll add 2 tablespoons corn flour, half teaspoon baking powder, mix it. We need to blend it so that we can make a smooth paste. See the consistency? It's done. We'll make our sheets for a spring roll. Add little bit of oil, totally optional if you have good non-stick. Add 2 scoops. Cover it for 1 minute. Check it. It's cooked now. Can be cooked without oil also. Maximum it need half tablespoon of oil. Our sheet is ready. Now we'll roll our spring rolls, add filling, roll it well. It's done. Cut it into half. Let's plate it. You can make as many sheets as you want. With this quantity, we can make 8 to 10 sheets. Spring rolls ready. So simple, easy, quick, and super tasty and healthy too. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment. Thanks for watching the video.